I want to talk a little bit about something that has changed in Instagram recently, and most marketers are doing it, including myself, but not a lot of businesses besides marketing is doing it. So you can see this says, do your trust reviews on websites, and you might see there's like a little white little square at the top that indicates that it's more than one image. So if I just click this open and show you, and if I scroll through, it is a carousel post, which means it's more than one image across the way. Now, the reason that we use carousel posts as one of the growth tools or ideas to encourage people to grow is, again, a carousel post increases the length of time that someone stays on the post, which tells Instagram that your post is something people want to see, so they send more people to it organically. Wow. How cool is that, guys? So you need to think about whether you could use carousel posts, and they've got so much implications around what you do.